A cordial greeting there to student classmates. In this video, we are going to talk about CLIL for novice teachers. This group confirmed for the next students. Stephanie Conde Salazar, Jose Gabriel Garcia Garcia, and I, Michelle Daniela Montañez Melo. We are from the group 12. Okay, let's start with the explanation. What is CLAL? CLIL, Content and Language Integrated Learning. This, according to the author, made current online 2020, this is an approach where students learn a subject and foreign language at the same time. For example, students can learn science, geography, or environmental education through English. For this reason, I now the benefits of the CLIL. In this slide, you can see what there are many benefits. Four benefits. The first, improves language skills naturally. The second, promotes global and intercultural awareness. Three, develops critical thinking skills. And four, expand the subject knowledge. In the first, the most is the student use English for real communication instead of only studying grammar rules. The second, the CLIL helps students connect local issues with global perspectives and prepares them for an international world. And three, Sailor encourage the students to analyze, to compare, solve problems, and express opinions. It promotes high-order thinking skills. And the last, the students learn academic content while improving their language. This the main benefit is the connection with the learned specific topic or specific area. In this occasion is science, and connect with the learn and product the communication through the new language. In this case, the language is English.
Hello, thank you, partner, for your explanation. In this moment, I explain the CLIL examples. CL in L in Colombian context. In this slide, I would like to present two examples of CLIL can be applied in the Colombian context. The first example is a mini lesson about Colombian animals. Students describe animals using adjectives and then work together to create a fact sheet. In this way, they learn science content while practicing English vocabulary and speaking skills. The second example is a problem solving activity about water waste in schools. Students collect information through interview and surveys, analyzing the causes of the problem and propose possible solutions. This activity develops critical thinking, collaboration, and communication, which are essential elements of the CLIL approach. Practical recommendations for CLIL teachers. Now, I would like to share some practical recommendations for teachers who are starting to use CLIL in their classrooms. CLIL is not only about teaching science in English, it is about helping students learn content and language at the same time. For this reason, teachers should provide clear instructions, mindful activities, and opportunities for students to communicate naturally. The following recommendations can help make CLIL lessons more effective and engaging. In this moment, these are some good practices when teaching with the CLIL approach. First, teachers should use visual support such as pictures, diagrams, and graphic organizers because they help students understand both the content and the language. Second, it is important to teach key vocabulary before starting the lessons so students feel more confident. Teachers should also encourage communication without worrying too much about mistakes. In addition, lessons should be connected to students' real lives by using local topics such as Colombian ecosystems or environmental use. Finally, collaborative learning is very important because working in pairs or groups increases participation and help students learn from each other. This slide shows some practices that teachers should avoid. First, CLIL lessons should not focus only on content because language learning is also an important objective. Teachers should avoid using language that is too difficult for students' level. Science, this can make learning more challenging. Another recommendation is not correct every mistake immediately. Students need to feel confident when communication in English. It is, it is also important not to depend only on textbooks. Teachers can use videos, games, experiments, and real objects to make learning more interesting. Finally, teachers should never assume that students understand everything. It is always a good idea to ask questions and use short activities to check comprehensions. This is my part of this moment. Thank you so much.
Practical tips. Number one, set clear content and language objectives. Identify what the students should learn about the subject and the language they are practicing. Number two, scaffold learning step by step. Break complex tasks into smaller. Provide support materials such as graphic organizers or sentence starters. Number three, multimodal resources. Combine videos, images, simulations, digital resources, real objects, diagrams, or tests to make content more accessible. Number five, encourage student talk time. Create collaborative ties in pair works group discussions that foster students' participation. Number five, check understanding frequently. Use formative assessment such as quizzes or comprehension checks. Number six, safe environment. Promote a safe learning environment. Encourage students to communicate without fear of making mistakes. Prioritize meaning over accuracy. Number seven, collaborative projects. Project based learning can be useful to help students to apply content and language in real contexts. And number eight, reflect and adapt your lessons. Evaluate your own teaching practices and adjust them according to your students' needs. Conclusion. Content. CLIL helps students learn English through meaningful content. Language. It improves language skills, motivation, critical thinking, and communication while making learning more engaging and relevant. Learning. When teachers use visual support, real life topics, and interactive activities, CLIL becomes a powerful tool for learning in Colombian classrooms.